Ever thought about this during a shower? What if we are alone in this universe? Or are we alone in this universe? Are we really insignificant compared to the grand scale of the universe? What is the point of me doing things anymore? Is there even meaning in life? Don't worry, here are some shocking facts of our universe to cheer you up. Number 1. Gravitational waves. In the year 1915, Albert Einstein published his groundbreaking work, which is the general theory of relativity, to understand how gravity works. This theory essentially states that big masses such as our Earth and Sun would warp and curve space-time, and that produces gravity as we know it. Einstein predicted that moving big masses would send out these waves that we call gravitational waves, which in principle can be observed. But during Einstein's era, the detectors are not sensitive enough to detect these waves. After 100 years since Einstein's postulation, LIGO have detected the first gravitational waves. This involves two massive black holes merging about 1.3 billion light years away. Have you ever wondered what two merging black holes would sound like? This is a sound clip when we convert the frequency of gravitational waves into audible human sound. Drumroll, please. This, my friend, gave a new window for astronomers and physicists to look at our universe. Number 2. Life on Venus question mark? Have you asked yourself this question before? Is there life elsewhere in our universe? Well, life elsewhere might not be far after all. On September 14, 2020, a great amount of phosphine gas was detected in the atmosphere of Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to our Sun. Why is this a big deal, you might ask? There has not been any logical explanation that we can think of that might produce that high concentration of phosphine gas in the atmosphere of Venus, either through geological activity or chemical synthesis. It's just that those route doesn't produce that much phosphine gas. There has been speculation that microbes could exist in the atmosphere of Venus that could produce that amount of phosphine gas. This type of microbes has been seen in our Earth in anaerobic environment, which is an environment deprived of oxygen. However, we need more evidence, but this might be a milestone for something greater. Number 3. Normal matter comprises of only 5% of our universe. Did you know, I repeat, did you know that all normal matter that we experience now only made up of 5% of our universe? What? Our first intuition that our universe is full of matter, that gravity would eventually pull matter together eventually, right? Right? However, this is not the case. There is an evidence that our universe are expanding. Not just expanding at an accelerating rate, which is very counterintuitive. Either Einstein is wrong about his theory, or there is something else out there. Physicists has calculated, according to Einstein's general theory of relativity, that in order to produce that accelerating rate of expansion of our universe, the universe must have made up of 95% of unknown stuff that we now call dark energy and dark matter. Many have tried to answer this question, but all of them have failed. But don't worry that we don't know something. It means that there is a ton of knowledge and physics that we are not aware of and this is exciting for astronomers and physicists.